What's up, everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. This is the location where I am. Today we are going to start the vlog from this park. This is the park which is near my house. Every morning I will come here for walk around 6 to 6:30 and then I will leave back home. I thought it will be little interesting for you if I start my vlog over here. Yeah, so in today's agenda we have two tasks to be done. Every morning I will start my day with an agenda. So today's agenda is to complete these two tasks. One is I will be reviewing all the tools which I use during my breakfast ride, long rides, and wherever I go. Basically these will be in my bag all the time. And the second one is I'm going to check out a new riding pants. I was thinking to get this riding pants since a very long time. So I will be heading towards Spartan Pro Gear, and there I will be checking Aspida all season touring riding pants. These two are the tasks which I added to my agenda of the day. So let's get started. I will be quickly completing my walk for another 2 rounds maybe. After that I will get back to you guys. Till then, enjoy this cinematics. I hope you guys like the cinematics. I'm done with my walk. I did around 5 kilometers of walk. Now it's time to review the tools which I bought it along with me. It's there in my bag. So let's get started. So these are the set of tools which I carry along with me whenever I am on a breakfast ride or a long touring, something of that sort. I will be explaining you one after another and what is the purpose of these tools and what is this which you are seeing over here. So this one is basically my tools bag, which is made by this Trek and Ride. This is a very useful bag. This you can actually mount it on your handlebar, which I do sometimes when I have enough amount of luggage and when I don't have enough space in my backpack. Then I will mount it on my handlebar. This will come along with different types and different angles of velcros. This will actually go and fit on top of your handlebar with support of your mirrors. And it also comes along with this transparent sheet over it where you can put your mobile inside it and you can do the navigation, picking up of calls and multiple things which deals with the mobile. So this is all about the Trek and Ride tools bag, our utility bag. This will be very useful. The next one is the Stanley 8-piece spanner kit. This is very useful. It comes with the 8 set of spanners which starts from 7mm to 22mm. 7mm to 22mm. As you can see here, this is the 7mm, and it will come till 22mm, which is the last one. With this spanner kit, you can open anything. You can open an aeroplane as well. Just kidding. Don't take it seriously. You can open any sort of bike basically with this set of spanners. This will be very handy. The next one is Taparia screwdriver kit, which comes along with 5 different sets of screwdriver modules, and it will also work as a tester. If you can see, there is a light and the tester circuit inside it. This will be very useful when you wanted to tighten up some bolts or tighten up your windshield, multiple sort of things. And the other one is the Stanley Allen key set, or else you can say Hexa key set. This comes along with 10 different kinds of these Allen keys, starting from 1.5mm to 10mm. As you all know, the current generation bikes are equipped with these type of Allen key setted bolts. So if you have this, you can open any sort of engine from the current generation bikes. So why do I carry all these tools along with me whenever I go out for a ride or a long ride? It's all because we don't know when we are ending up sitting for assistance on the road. At that time, these tools might be helpful for you, where you can actually do yourself something. You can check out yourself to identify what the problem is. And sometimes these tools may be helpful for the mechanic. If you go out for a long ride and you are stuck somewhere in a village and the mechanic knows how to solve that issue, but he doesn't have any proper tool. So at that time, these tools will be very much helpful for him. You can give him these tools and he can sort it out. He can help you from getting out from that situation. So these are the tools which I always carry along with me when I am on the road. I will drop all the links in my description. You can just go and you can buy it for yourself if you need it. If you already have, then that's well and good. If you don't have, just have a try. This all costed me all around some $1,500, not more than that. So this will be very useful for you basically. So as you can see, the review with the tools are done. Now I will be heading out for my next task, which is all about my riding pants and all. So see you there. I will be heading back home now. I will just get freshed up. Then I will be leaving and see you guys on the road again. I was back home an hour ago from my walking and the stuff which you already saw. Now I will be heading to the Spartan Pro Gear stores. They have separate set of stores in Bangalore which are named as Moto Nation. Basically whatever you see in their website, in Spartan Pro Gear website, that stuff will be almost available in these stores. So one store is near to my home, which is around 4 kilometers from here. I will just go over there and I will check if they have this Aspida all touring pants. I will just check it out, and then if it is there, I will get it and I will come back home. The review of that you can see it in the next vlog. If it is not